Hey, what's up everyone? It's Daniel again, and today we're going to replace the battery on a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. So this battery is only about 6 months old, so stay tuned to figure out why the battery died in this vehicle so quickly. So in order to remove the battery, we're going to remove this hold down bracket. You will only need a 10mm ratchet or a wrench in order to remove all these items. I happened to be at my friend's house and had this tool, so I tested the battery and removed this without planning to actually do so. So I removed the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal, and then I just pulled them off and tucked them out of the way. Once I have these out of the way, I go ahead and lift out the bracket that holds the battery down. Be sure to take note that there are little hooks that are supposed to hook back into the framing, and I recommend not setting that down on your engine so that nothing drops into your engine compartment. So leading up to this, you may get this notification where it says check charging system. This vehicle sits most of the time, so there is actually a draw somewhere in the system which I'm planning to locate and share with you in the near future. So now we're going to take our new battery and install it. We're basically going to install it in the reverse order. I'm going to install this bracket in first and make sure the hooks are actually hooked into the framing. When reinstalling your hold down bracket, a deep 10mm socket is going to be your best friend. Next, we're going to go ahead and reinstall our terminals. These I typically reinstall in reverse order, so we're going to install the positive terminal first, and it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then once we have this one installed and nice and snug, we're going to go ahead and install our negative terminal. So be sure to have your key fob handy, because sometimes when reconnecting the battery, the alarm will go haywire and it will catch you off guard. It is extremely loud on this vehicle, so I was glad I actually prepared for it, because most of the time I forget about that. Once we have this negative terminal tightened, this service will be complete, and then I'm going to move on to checking the charging system on this vehicle, because there is some sort of issue causing this battery to draw down to 0 volts. So stay tuned for those, and thank you everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day.